Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1317 and today's topic is building good habits can significantly improve your health. So the habits are very important to have significant health improvement. And if I am saying good habits, it means your good attitude. And if I say attitude means it is the combination of small habits together, and all small habits together is called attitude. That is called attitude. And attitude is actually your all together habits. And I used to say there is always chance of improvement, whether in health or in your any type of activity. Success, progress depends upon your attitude. Unless you change your attitude, there is no chance of improvement, there is no chance of success, and there is no chance of improving significantly your health. So attitude plays very important. I have quoted several times in my lectures, there is always chance of improvement, provided you change your attitude. Unless you change your attitude, there is no question of any improvement. So here for your health, it is your attitude. And because of poor attitude, because of poor habits, people are having bad health, or we can say poor health. And when I am talking of health, it's deep chemistry. Carbohydrate, protein, oxidation reduction, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compounds, all together. And it is divided into two. We have two health. One is mental health, brain, and second is physical health. So both should be healthy. Only then you can say the word health came from German term, wholeness. Unless your whole surrounding system, body, thinking, everything is okay, only then you can say you are healthy. And as a human being, you know that first condition you should understand for good habit of drinking enough water. That is called, you have to be hydrated, hydration of your body. Because your body contains 65 to 70% water, and all your activities is in liquid form. Your all nutrients, they are flowing from cell by cell. Even your nutrient means energy, ATP, and then other hormones, different type of nutrients, protein, carbohydrate molecules, they are in nano particle level going cell by cell, and it is cells are receiving, and that medium of movement is your blood, and blood is nothing but mixture of several things in liquid form. And secondly, we human beings, we are super, and we can take care. Super means, why we are super? People may say that because we are intelligent. No, there are many animals, they are more intelligent than us, than human beings. Superiority is that human beings are the only animals on this earth who are having one pair of free hand. What is that? Free hand. No animal is having that advantage of freedom, because to have free hand makes you super. The reason is that elephant, very big size, tiger, all are there, but they don't have free hand. They are four legs. They are making them down and they are moving, but they cannot use that unless they are very close to you, because you have free hand. And with that free hand superiority, you have very powerful tool, and that powerful tool is your thumb. That is hand and thumb. So with this thumb, you have great capacity of holding anything. If you imagine that your two thumbs are removed, your 80% capacity of holding is lost. You are crippled. Your capacity is totally lost, because here with this grip, this thumb, angutha in Indian language, is holding steering, is holding any tool, is holding so many things, is holding bucket, is holding lot of utensils, lot of weapons, lot of gun. His thumb plays very important role. So if your blood circulation, your body, all the levels in fluid form, if they are not in good condition, you will be always in bad shape from health point of view. So first is, that is your hydration. Second, exercise. Exercise is also another very good habit. You have to form this habit in the form of automation. So that once you are exercising, means you are taking more and more oxygen, and your blood is becoming more and more oxygenated, and your all the cells, they will receive the oxygen from your all red blood cells. So that is also very important for cardiovascular system. And then I'm always telling you, when yesterday I delivered the light, but balanced diet. You should go for balanced diet. Don't go for nutritional or rich diet, or no. Balanced diet means all are calculated. What quantity of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, protein, carbohydrate, fat, what type of carbohydrate, all matters. So I have already delivered a lot of lectures on that balanced diet. And after balanced diet, then regular exercise, balanced diet, and then good sleep schedule. Sleep, if you are compromising your good health. And your schedule should be correct. If it is 10 p.m., if it is 9 p.m., even if it is 12 midnight, you should follow regular schedule. And you must sleep at least 8 to 9 hours. And if it is in case you are not completing in night, so napping is there. During daytime, you can take sleep for 1-2 hours, after maybe 2 or after 3. That is also very important. So that is about the physical health. Then B is your mental health. It is very important. So for mental health, first you have to manage your stress. Most of the problem is related to stress, mental. And I call it mental noise. Mental noise means you have lot of overthinking and lot of emotional thing, lot of enmity, lot of acidic behavior. You are totally tense, you are sweating. Remove all this noise from your brain. And you should have very clear brain with any type of stress. Then second stress is, that is oxidative stress. You have to manage that one also. With that oxidative stress, you can manage by taking balanced diet. So your mental tension, stress means lot of cortisol. Stress hormone will be produced and will be in depression and anxiety. So that is very important to manage. And that is stress management means also you have to go for deep breathing, and if possible, go for prayer or meditation. If you are Muslim, follow 5 time prayer. Spiritually you will be okay. And if you are not Muslim, whatever faith you are following, go and practice meditation. Then number 2 is, that is mindfulness. Mindfulness means you should have your space of time sometimes. Space of time means you are with crowded family, with lot of people. Take some time. Sit in backyard, or if you have lawn or whatever area, be yourself. Take 1 cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like. If you have some reading habit, take that. Enjoy your own time with you. Alone for some time. That is very, very important. Sit, close your eye, go on imagination, go on recalling your sweet past memories, your ambition, your all this, so many things. That is called your mindfulness, spending time with nature and be gratitude. Then number 3, social connection. Connectivity with your loved one, with your friend is mental tonic. It will boost your mental health, your emotional health. And those people who are not connected with their family members, with their friends, friends are also very important ingredient or element for your mental health. Once you talk with your close friend, you are very free. You abuse each other and you will enjoy that unparliamentary language. And that is going to boost your happiness, your hormones, secretion of dopamine, secretion of serotonin. So, connectivity. If you are physically you are visiting, is so nice. But if in case you are not in position to physically go and visit for some time, connect on phone. Nowadays, connectivity is almost free everywhere. You can connect with your loved one, with your friend, with your social, we can say, society. And please avoid loneliness. Number 4, self-care habit. Usually it has been found, and there are some papers published also, that once people they become senior citizen, means after 60, when children are grown up, you will not care yourself. You will become careless in dressing, in taking care of your health, food habit, or no. You have to care for yourself. If you need to physiotherapist, call it physiotherapist, let him do the massage, let him do the exercise, whatever for you, and let him or her attend any nurse. That is called self-care, is very important, because you are not on deathbed. Your life for you is very costly. You have already sacrificed your life for your children and for your daughter, your son, your grandchildren. They have their own life. But you have to take care. That is called self-care for your life. You have to attend. Don't take it lightly and don't be careless. It's very important. This is very common in old age. People, they become careless. They don't care. Even they don't put proper dress. No, you should put very nice dress in old age. Especially in old age, you should put red and blue or color. Because in young age, you are already very smart. Your look is already very smart. But in old age, if you are dull physically and you are putting very dull dress, so nobody is going to listen to you. You will be like dirty old man. Your look will be just like dirty old man. So that you should not have that dirty old man look. Then that is self-care habits. Now C part is tips for building good habits. I have written some of the tips how to build, how to cultivate good habits. That is called attitude. I have already told you small habits. They are called attitude. So how to build? The first tip is that is begin with very small. Any success what you are going to achieve, you have to start from first step. So first begin with the small means, okay, when you get up in the morning, take 1 glass of water, put some little lemon in it, lemon juice, and take it. That is first habit. Then again, second habit means after some time you do exercise, you do small, like that. That is called, begin with small habit. Then second, habit of routine. Once you have the habit of routine, after some time, once you are doing that work for 1 week or 10 days, it will become automatic. You are towards automation. Then you will be missing, just like smoking. Smoking means if you do smoking for 1 month and when the time comes, that is your automation. Automatically you will feel that I should get some cigarette to smoke. So that is called routine. So please form routine of good habit. Automation of good habit. And then that is called automation. It's in car, but in your body also automation is there. That is habit formation. Number 3, stay motivated. Especially motivated means in old age it is very important. And you are motivated only when you are hopeful. If you are hopeless with thinking, negative thinking that you can't do anything, you cannot be successful, you cannot do this, you are not motivated. So motivated means you do some creative work, you do some good work in society for the people, for your relatives, for your loved ones, for your friend. In that case, you will feel motivated, you will feel pleasure. It's very important. So always be motivated. And once, for example, I am delivering this lecture, I am motivated. I know that it will be uploaded online and thousands of the people will benefit from this experience. It is motivation. Then number 4, be consistent. Consistency. 90% people, they miss consistency, they miss exercise, they miss hydration. For a few days they will do, after that they will forget. No. For any behavior, any success, any achievement, discipline and consistency is the building block of your success in society or in any department or anywhere. So if you are not consistent, you are not regular, you are not practicing, you cannot achieve. So please maintain consistency. And with all this, I wish you all good health and let you follow, please, all these good habits which will build your good attitude, and definitely you will be having good physical and mental health. So with this I will stop, and I wish you very, very good health. And believe me, the costliest asset what you have is not diamond or naira, but it is your good health. And you will realize when you will lose your good health. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.